land of fascinations, a little town in a large forest, lying at the crossroad of history and pristine nature. Ranong Province, known as the city of 8 months rain and 4 months sun, is a province on the west coast, rained on almost whole year round. Although a tiny city, Ranong is ready to welcome tourists, both Thai and foreign, to experience the beauty of her natural attractions, be they the ocean, mountain ranges, waterfalls, sources of mineral fountains, pristine forest lands, all existing in harmony, that the city has been voted as the third livable city of the country. Ranong is the first southern province on the coast of the Andaman, sharing the borders with neighboring countries, with wide diversity and harmoniously mixed tradition, culture, lifestyle, and identity. Ranong Province is also the production source of an important food material, which has become a premium OTOP product at provincial and national levels, as the soft-shelled crab, a leading cash crop of the province. With most produce exported to foreign markets, to Hong Kong, Taiwan, Japan, Brunei, China, Malaysia, Singapore, the United States, and Canada. Ranong is considered an important source of high-quality soft-shell crabs. Soft-shelled crab is one of the most popular menus for seafood lovers, as it is easy to consume as a whole crab. Those unfamiliar with a soft-shell crab might think that it is a new species with soft shell, unlike other crabs. In fact, soft-shelled crabs is molting sea crab that shed its original shell. Black crab is the favorite species bred in soft-shelled crab farming due to its high tolerance, rapid growth, and firm flesh content than other crab species. Most breeding sites of the country are in the southern region because of good water condition, especially in Ranong, which is located on the Andaman coast, bordering Myanmar, where forests remain rich as preferred habitat of black crabs. The increasing market demand of soft-shelled crab has led to more importation of black crabs from Myanmar for soft-shelled crab production to meet the demand. With its unique taste, soft-shelled crab has become popular with consumers in diverse menus, Thai, Chinese, and European, such as fried crab with black pepper, stir-fried crab in curry powder. Soft-shelled crabs are of high nutritional values, high in calcium, containing beneficial minerals. The soft shells have chitin with skin nourishment. On the path of production to gourmet's consumption, it is not difficult to find soft-shelled crabs as material in creating innovative menus for consumers to relish the delicious taste of crab flesh, overcoming arduous task of breaking the shells. Since Thailand is both the production site and exporter of soft-shelled sea crabs with high capacity of the ASEAN region, the setting of standards for soft-shell sea crabs is the confirmation of food quality and safety, which helps push the export of frozen fresh soft-shelled sea crabs to foreign markets in increasing quantity, bringing large income to farmers and the country, and introducing consumers to the important production site of soft-shell crabs. the land of 8 months of rain, 4 months of sun, where any visitor must not miss the opportunity to taste soft-shell crabs, one of the famous food of Ranong province.